morning everyone. My name is Sheila Javad Khan. I am studying the class first. My school name is Ayush Global English School. Today I am going to show you a cool experiment about germs and how soap helps to remove them. For this experiment, we need water bowl, black paper and represent germ and liquid soap. Let's start. We fill a water bowl with water and sprinkle some black pepper. As a germs, please dip your finger in the water. Did you see any changes? No. Now we put little dish soap, finger and dip into the water. Wow! Did you see any change? How quickly moved away? The germs don't like soap. This happens because soap breaks surface tension of water. This pushes germs away. Thank you.